We're checking out the Epson EcoTank ET3850. I have a bunch of these at the office. I wanted to do an unboxing and kind of like talk about why I love it so much. This is such a time saver because it's printing. It prints so quickly, but also a money saver because you don't have to buy those pesky ink cartridges, right? Because this printer uses their own little custom bottles that you just have to, basically just fill up the printer itself. So when the printer is dry, just fill it up and it goes way longer and it's way better than those old print cartridges that we used to use. And speaking of which, there's the first one. So there's your black right here, Epson 502 black. You've got a few of them that come right there in the package, which is a great thing. And of course, we've got them colors. So you've got those colors. You've got the cyan, the red and magenta, and the yellow, which is really cool. So plug right here. Let me just get that whole thing out of here. It's a really nice unit and it's so fast. Let me just unbox the whole thing and show you the unit itself. So as you can see in the video, the savings are dramatic. The fact that you can replenish or refill these little ink cartridges that are basically inside the printer, they stay in there. All you need to do is refill them with the bottles that are provided, or of course that you can buy from Epson and on Amazon. It's fantastic for that. And the Epson ET3850 is not just a printer, it's also a scanner and a copier. And I know I keep on talking about the EcoTank feature, and the EcoTank feature is these little bottles right here. This one single bottle can actually print out 7,500 pages in black and white. That's incredible. That is literally the equivalent of 90 print cartridges that you would have from the past, from before. So this is definitely the wave of the future. Saving a ton of money going forward with the EcoTank. The Epson is an incredible quality. It's compact. It's the best thing that you can have for the home or the office. It's fantastic.